3x. Bring everything else down. Just break it down. Keep it together. We don't want to leave anything behind. And bring it all the way down. Now we need to get our x by itself. So we're going to say plus 8 on both sides. All right. Now we have 16 plus 8, which will give us 24. You're going to bring your 3x down. That's what we have remaining. Now we need to get our x by itself. So we're going to divide by 3 on both sides. That's going to cancel out. Now we have x equals 8. Our answer here is 8 equals x equals 8. Your answer here is x equals 8. We do have a solution. Please make sure that you go back and check and see, how do solutions look? How do no solutions look? And how do infinitely many solutions look? They're on the front page of your study guide. Hopefully it won't be too late and I can post your answers to the front and the back page of your notes, so that you can have that to check yourself with. And I may just have to take a picture of it and post it that way. I have football practice tonight. So let's see. That was number 15. Now we're going to do number 17, and we're getting down. We don't have that many left. Number 17. And these are just simply solve the problem. We're not looking to see if there's infinitely many solutions or no solutions. We're just simply solving the equation. 2 times 4x minus 3 minus 8 equals 4 plus 2x. I'm going to split my equation in half. Oops, wrong color. I like to use the different color. I don't want them to run together. Now, I do see parentheses. That's number 1 on our list to look for. Now we're going to do distributive property. 2 times 4x will give us 8x. 2 times negative 3 will give us negative 6. Then I'm going to bring everything else down, including my equal sign. Make sure you hold on to your equal sign. Now I'm going to see if I have any like terms on both sides, or on one side. Let me correct that again. On one side of the equal side. Well, we do. Here's a negative 6. Here's a negative 8. They're both numbers. They're like terms. Negative 6 plus a negative 8. That will give us a negative 14. Remember to bring everything else down. We don't have any like terms on this side of the equal sign, so we're just going to bring everything down. Now we want to get our variables on one side and our numbers on the other side. We'll start with subtracting 2x on both sides of the equal sign. How do I know to subtract 2x? That's because this number here is positive. This is positive. So this has to be negative. Okay. Eight minus 2 will give us a positive 6x. Bring everything else down, including your equal sign. That canceled out, so the only thing we have left on this side is 4. Now I need to move my negative 14 to the other side. When I move it across the equal sign, it's going to be positive. So we're going to say plus 14 plus 14. That's going to cancel out over here. And this is going to be 18. And we're going to bring our 6x down. Remember, keep up with your equal sign. Don't lose it. You don't want things to run together. Now we need to get 6 by itself. You're absolutely right. We're going to divide by 6 on both sides. Very good. Divided by 6. That will cancel out. Now, x is equal to 3. Your answer should be 3. That was number 17. Now we're going to do number 19. I really like number 19, and I think the students do also, because this is something that they learned in class, and we drilled it and drilled it and drilled it so much. I think you guys got a hang of it now. So that's v plus 9 divided by 3 equals 8. Okay. Yeah, I hear you. We do have parentheses. But if you notice, there's nothing on the outside of these parentheses. They're just simply parentheses used for grouping. There's nothing on the outside. So we don't have to do distributive property. But yes, we need to get it out of the fraction state. We need it on a single line. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of 3, which is 3 over 1. That will cancel out. And we need to multiply 3 over 1 on the other side. Remember, whatever you do on one side of the equal sign, oh, yeah, I forgot. Whatever you do on one side of the equal sign, you must do on the other. Okay. 8 times 3 will give us 24. Keep up with your equal sign and bring everything else down. V plus 9. Now we need to get our variable by itself. We're going to subtract 9 on both sides of the equal sign. This is going to cancel out. Now we have 24 minus 9, which will leave us with 15. We only have v left here. V equals 15. This is your answer. We have 4 more to do, and then I'm going to let you guys give a shot on your own. Trying to wrap this up in the next 15 minutes. And try to get this posted for you all. My paper. That was number on there. Number 21, which was given out to you today. There is a correction that I need to make on that, so please pay close attention. On number 21, there's no directions. 21 should say, solve for B. Yeah, this is a problem that you've all been asking me for, so here you go. We have 8 plus B over 4. 8 plus B over negative 4 equals S. So we're going to still split our equation. This is going to help us with inverse operation. Then I want to point out to you all that we're solving for B this time. everyone can see that. Maybe I should have used a lighter color, which I will. We're solving for B. I'm going to turn my ringer on. I have to go pick my son up from school, so if it rings, that's what it is. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to move is my 8. There's no parentheses. I don't have like terms on the same side, on one particular side of the equal sign. So I'm just going to solve for my B, which I'm going to move my 8 over. So we're going to move it by doing the inverse. It's positive, so once we cross over, it will be negative. So minus 8. Now, if you notice, that is S minus 8. We cannot subtract 8 from S because we don't know what it is and they're not like terms. So we're just going to simply rewrite it. Now keep up with what you have on this side of the equal sign, which is B over negative 4 equals, and here you go, watch carefully, S minus 8. Did everyone get that? Back it up, rewind it, listen to it again if you need to. Now we're down to a fraction again. How do we get rid of a number that's in fraction form? We're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Keep repeating that in your head. Multiply by the reciprocal. 4 is on the bottom. It needs to be on top now. That will cancel out. Well, we just did something on that side. We need to do it over here. Now, when we multiply, 4 is going to go with everything, or negative 4, I'm sorry. Negative 4 is going to go with everything inside of that parentheses. So, yes, we're back down to doing distributive property. 4 is going to go with our 8. And 4 is also going to go with our S. We only have B remaining on this side, so we want to make sure we bring it down because we don't want to forget it in the end. Now we're going to do our distributive property. Negative 4 times S will be negative 4S. Negative 4 times negative 8 will give us a positive 32. Guess what? We're done. That's your answer. We have solved for B. What is B? B is equal to negative 4S plus 32. That's all you had to do. I would advise you all to go back and watch that again. Give you a few minutes, and you all can pause this. I know it's probably going a little fast, but you can pause it. Next problem that we're going to do is number 23. Number 23 is 1/2 times x minus 7 equals 5/8 x minus 3/5. Okay, we're going to split our equation. Well, we can use blue this time. That's okay. It's quite dark, but that's fine. That's going to help us distinguish the sides. Yes, we do have parentheses. Good job. So we're going to multiply everything on the outside by what we have on the inside. 1/5 times x will give us 1/5 x. Negative 7 times 1/5, or 1/5 times negative 7, will give us negative 7/5. All I did was say 7 times 1 would give me 7, and 5 times 1 would give me 5. So 7/5. Use your calculator if you must. Now I'm going to bring down everything on the other side. Now I need to see if I have like terms.